So as you can see here, this is our main container middle. If I minimize this, as you can see, this is the main container. Okay. If you go to the CSS part, so if you go to the age calculator, this is the main, we have display flex and justify content. So what we can do, we have to this left div we have to write in a mid container middle. So just cut it from here and just paste it into container middle, because we are using a display flex property, which is okay. So right now what we can do, we have write a div here and we just paste it here. Okay, so now all the we have two div here. Okay, so this is the middle container middle, and we have written all the uh, related HTML. Okay, so let's jump to the UI part and save it, and let's see happen. Okay, now our UI is working fine. As you can see here, everything is working fine. Okay, so you can select it here also, everything is working, but these functionality is not working. So let's jump into the logic part for this application.